He's going really fast.
Like me.
Wow.
Okay. Then I'm going really fast too. Like this. Like I'm only put my wheels again today.
Cool.
And then
Okay, stop for a minute.
that one.
What's in your basket?
Full of apples and
Apples.
flowers.
Apples and flowers.
Purple
And purple flowers. What's that? That's an apple, is it?
This is a delicious, then you can eat it.
It's delicious and you can eat
And
it.
then you can eat this
You
one.
can eat the other apple too, yeah?
Yes, you do.
And what else have you got?
We got flowers today.
Oh, lovely.
This and another flowers today.
Oh, lovely.
This.
Yellow flowers.
And this one today.
2 yellow flowers.
You can do just,
And is that everything?
yeah.
What's the brown thing?
Oh,
Under the apple.
the
What's
brown-
that thing?
The brown thing goes on to the,
Do you know what that is?
this thing.
Yeah.
And
Do you know what that is?
this.
What is
Seeds
It's the
today.
seed. Very
To-
good.
to the-
So that's your nature collection.
Yeah, that's my collection.
Okay. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
See you soon.
See you soon after my video. Bye.